Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a really special watch that we just got in. This is an Audemars Piguet Millenary, and I think if you are looking for a really unique and different watch to wear every single day, this could be your watch. It's a little bit on the kind of larger, more contemporary size. It's 39 millimeters wide and 35 millimeters high, which I think looks amazing on the wrist. I love this oval shape. It's got these beautiful diamonds set all around the dial on the bezel, which adds a lot of sparkle, but they're not too big, they're not too ostentatious, and they're not too in your face, which I think is really important for a watch that you would wear every single day. And the dial itself has these really beautiful soft pink numbers and this kind of contrasting silvery gray, almost purplish background color for the silver Roman numeral numbers. I love that it combines the Arabic and the Roman numerals. I think that's really fun and really different design. Again, something you don't see all the time, and it's just really playful, which is really nice to see. And I absolutely love this strap. I think it looks great. It's kind of this khaki warm gray with this pink stitching, which combines nicely with the pink numbers. And all in all, I just think it's a really fabulous, really fun watch. It's very different, and I think it's something that you could pair with a lot of different things, especially if you wear a lot of silver and gold jewelry and you don't want anything to stand out too much. So if you are looking for a really different watch, a really fun and kind of playful watch that's on the larger size that you can wear every single day and pair with a lot of different things, you should definitely be checking this one out, because right now we only have one and I don't know if we'll get any more in stock, and I don't know, it'll probably go fast because not only does it look great, it's also priced amazingly well. So if you're looking for a really cool watch for yourself or as a gift for someone that you love, you should check all of our Audemars Piguet's watch, and especially this watch out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.